top news headlines. No plan to legalize plantation of cannabis for medicinal purposes, Chief Minister Biren informs House. Effective use of native language stressed on International Mother Language Day. Arrest of NSCN IM cadre triggers protest at Senapati. And 20 students expelled on second day of Manipur board examination. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News at 6:30. I'm Loving Rimai. Now let's go through the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today told the State Assembly that as of now his government has no plan to legalize cannabis plantation for medicinal purposes. He was responding to a query from opposition MLA K.H. Joy Kishan in the House. Joy Kishan during Question Hour held the government's step to destroy poppy plantation in the state but questioned inability to nab the poppy cultivators during such drives. Chief Minister Biren, who is also in charge of Home, further told the House that 32 FIR cases have so far been registered in connection with illegal poppy cultivation. He said the government has started taking up steps to extend assistance to the poppy growers to provide alternative sources of income. To this, the Congress MLA Joy Kishan asked if there is any plan for local brew makers and sellers in the valley. He suggested that all 60 MLAs should find a way to stop local liquor business and provide alternative source of income. Biren assured of taking steps to provide other income source to local brew sellers. Director of Language Planning and Implementation, Manipur, L. Mahabir today underlined on the importance of effective use of native language in education to develop and promote it. Mahabir was speaking during the celebration of International Mother Language Day 2020 at the Senate Hall of Earth Science, Manipur University. A one-day seminar on Lol na Imani, Iek na Ipani was held during the celebration organized by People's United Youth Alliance and Manipur University Students' Union. El Mahabir urged that we must take responsibility to promote our own language. He expressed unhappiness over using English as medium of writing examination.
Lam na sat kharbo kangbu sing, parents sing, mama mapa sing, mahiroi sing, natraga ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯂꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯃꯥꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ.
On the occasion, cultural activist Ningthoja Lancha stressed on the need to respect mother language and other languages as well. Lancha painted a bleak future of the fate of the state language in 2050. Extinction of a particular language is a challenge to human rights, he said, adding that education system nowadays is not language friendly anymore.
मियोइबगी राइट से लोन मुथपसदे हेक सिंगनायबा अदुना ह्यूमन राइट सिंगरकपा मतमसिदा करी लाके हाइबा मतमदा इनइक्वालिटी एमा अइना मीगी लोन से अइना अइगी मांगदा फमिबा तांखुलगी आंगांगसिना तांखुल लोन दा ngangbा मतमदा तांखुल लोन दु अइना हंदना खलुरगदी नतका अइना नोरगदी मीसिंगदो तांखुल nganginga ओयबा अदुना इनइक्वालिटी से अखोय हौजी हौजी तौबनी मणिपुरदा येंबिउ अखोयगी प्रैक्टिस दा उनबदा मीगी लोन अमा ngangjaba matamda honor tawba haitaba aikoisu num tawi majority oriba thodo hendona community sing sigi marakta adum taweba.
Sahitya Thopanglup Sathollup also celebrated the International Mother Language Day 2020 at Hindi Parishad. On the occasion, language activist Lungpui J. Kabui was awarded the Khumbong Mayum Gaurahari Madhumati Mother Language Award. As part of International Mother Language Day, YK College Wangjing Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Taubal, Masa and Korirol Sandok Loop Wangjing jointly held a national seminar on the aspects of Manipuri language development at YK College Taubal under the sponsorship of Directorate of University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur. Around 180 delegates from Assam and Manipur attended the seminar.
Sport activity da or intellectual activity da Prithvi da masak putpa ngamjarim alaibak thibadi isagi integrity pidori se loan na pidori ni akhoi gi cultural activities na pidori pot se akhoi neglect to jaba isana to jaba se laibam thibani adu laibok phabadi sigumba Prithvi gi oina imalon chawkhal halakpa ba pot loan na jina akhoi da khangna rai se kadoro mioi bada laijaba maru ebo character.
Angry locals blocked Imphal Dimapur Road at Senapati Bazaar today, registering a protest against the arrest of a cadre belonging to NSC and IM by Assam Rifles. Traffic was disrupted along the national highway due to the strike which began at 3:30 p.m. They demanded that the NSC and IM cadre should be released immediately. Sources say the Assam Rifles arrested the NSC and IM cadre around 2 p.m., triggering protests from the residents. It may be noted that Assam Rifles posted at the Hamzan Senapati headquarters yesterday engaged in a scuffle with the Naga army posted there. The situation started chasing some personnel belonging to the Naga army. However, the Naga army personnel overpowered the Assam Rifles personnel during the melee. The Naga army reportedly captured the Assam Rifles official who was leading the team and seized a weapon belonging to them. However, the Assam Rifles official was released after intervention by several social organizations. The weapon was also returned to the Assam Rifles. On the second day of the board examination 2020 in Manipur, 20 students were expelled. Out of this, 15 were expelled for impersonation. The students were from Technopal High School, VM High School, Palem Bazaar, New Light Public School, Moijing, Sekmai Kumbi High School, Koirom High School, Koirom Dolangkuno High School, Senapati, St. Stephen's English School, Hyangthang, Nambashi High School, Ukru, and Tangkul Hundung High School, Tangkul Hundung Village. 5 students of Emmanuel English School, Haipi, Kaitel Manbi, INA Memorial High School, Ukha Tampak Ideal High School, Palel and Palel High School were also expelled for copying during the examination. Meanwhile, Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSAM Secretary Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas informed media today that show cause notice will be served to all principals of the concerned school and FIR will be filed against the 15 impersonators.
About the expelled cases, we will be serving show cause notices to all the headmasters and all the authorities that are concerned who have been making this kind of irregularities and not abiding by the rules of the board. We will show cause notice to them, send them show cause notices, and they will explain why such things have happened. Furthermore, for those impersonation cases, we will be lodging FIRs and we will take up action according to the rule of law and as deemed fit.
MSU today demanded immediate suspension of all principals and invigilators who did not stop use of unfair means during the ongoing board examination. Speaking to media at the office of All Manipur Students Union MSU at DM College campus, Union Vice President Lashram Athoba said that the special task force of the union detected cheating by students at Sangai Yumpham Higher Secondary School and other centers. MSU demanded the Board of Secondary Education Manipur to take up appropriate action against the officer in charge and invigilators. The MSU team was barred from entering the exam centers at CI College Bishnupur and Kumbi College Kumbi by the school authorities and police, Athoba said, adding that the union will continue the inspection drive.
Center asida akhoi outside tagi akhoi konjal lakanda answer je hek hobudagina loyoba konjal laga akhoi mapandagi langjalakpa MSU gi team duna akhoi thengnajagi hairiba akhoi side leiriba mayam si akhoi mapandai langjalakpa ngaktani si direct answer ngaktane ba aduga akhoi direct answer sigi mayam sa si akhoi satra masadagi su phai aduga anasu mayam khak lokthoi aitare aduna akhoina phagatrise only 1 hour akhoi exam loigadaba pung ama walingai matamda akhoina phagatcharakpaneba aduga hairiba akhoi center sida tariba invigilator khudingmak akhoi mailenaba department singna suspend togodabni karigumba akhoi suspend togda taragadi MSU na henna kanba miyang changthila kanda adugumlaba mawong manin tadraba center sa masi MSU na sumthoknaba sem saganeba.
Let's take a short commercial break. Coming up next, heroin worth rupees 42 lakh seized in Juribam.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumza lising ama chawpan marifom do digi hona chay kuntra mga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center mahangjare TV marifon gi konjel loinana nil kongum fum na tabang ngam gi awaba mayok net binaha al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga si maklengsin direktuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oda digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangalwana badong gi khangna chana ba singles power si tambio ay ko gi from the Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009544159.
Welcome back after the break. A team of anti-drugs cell and Juribam District Police seized heroin worth rupees 42 lakh in the international market near Jurigat High School around 10 p.m. yesterday. The seizure took place after the team chased a speeding cruiser bearing registration number AS11BC 5607, which was captured near Jurigat High School. The police found 10 soap cases containing heroin weighing 14 grams in the vehicle. The driver of the vehicle was identified as Abidur Rahman Laskar, aged 33 years, son of Nur Ahmed Laskar of Ujan Tarapur under Lakhipur Police Station in Kashar District of Assam. A case has been registered at Lakhipur Police Station for further investigation, a report said. It may be mentioned that troops of 12 Assam Rifles seized brown sugar worth rupees 1 crore in the international market yesterday at Tengnopal along Imphal Moray Road. Aspiring candidates of Manipur People's Party MPP now can register through online to get direct admission. Speaking during Kendra Leaders Meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today, MPP General Secretary Haubijam Gitajan said that the party will field worthy candidates for the Manipur Legislative Assembly 2022. The meet resolved to set up branches of the party and to abide by the party constitution and the financial rules 2013.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ 15-20 ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯦ ꯑꯣ ꯖꯨꯒꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯅ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯅꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ 36-tꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯔꯃꯂꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯖꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯔꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯅꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯋꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ MPP ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
With a mission to tap untapped talents of students across India, Nizamiya Scholarship Education Group (NEG) is all set to conduct a Nizamiya Scholarship Test (NST) for students on April 19 next. First, 500 top students will be given 100% scholarship to study in any desired stream in any of the 120 tied-up universities across the country. Informing this to media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, CEO of NEG, Daina Kongkam, said that such test aims to provide better educational opportunities to students in isolated areas of the Northeast to shine through this platform. The results of the test will be declared on May 5 next. Top 1,500 students will be awarded free laptops and free tablets to top 3,000 students, Daina said.
500 top student scholarships ida top tarapa 500 students the free of cost any choice of stream moina pamjaba stream da akoina hozik leiriba tie up leiriba universities myam sing sida moina tambagi khudong jaba pigani.
A migratory bird survey was carried out at Uttarapad within Nambol Naurem of Bishnupur district today. Wildlife Warden Bishnupur District K. Jugeshwar, President of Wildlife Explorer Khan Brajesh, Secretary Wildlife Explorer E. Premjit and other officials were present during the survey. The presence of endangered species of falcated duck, spot-billed duck, tufted duck and ferruginous pochard migratory birds were less during the survey. Altogether, 14 different species of ducks and 21 other migratory birds were spotted in the lake. However, K. Jugeshwar said that the peaceful flocking of the migratory birds in Uttarapad shows that they are not in danger.
Mi kungraba jaga sidesida usiek si mayam tarisina takodi lamdam sigi miyam sisu usiek singsibu nungsi habagi wakhan namadi aikoina uba pangi mayam na haidragasu aduna aikoi taribu usiek singse khunja singnasu mase tanthokpidana phabidana aikoigi mathang lakadriba chahi singdasu masingsi hengathanba ngamagadi aikoi mafamsi aikoigi tourism gi sport ama semada achouba mating oigani hena khanjai.
Nehru Yuva Kendra NYK Kangpokpi under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India organized a Youth Club Development Convention at Nungang village today. The program was part of the closing of a 3-day Youth Leadership and Community Development program. Commander of Ngaikong Kuno Company of Army, Major Rajan Kumar, Sub-Divisional Officer of Bungtei Chiru, LM Len Singsit, DYC NYK, Kangpokpi, Gyanbiak Muan Tombing, NYK Kangpokpi Accountant, Lalkone Chongloi were present during the function. Trainer of Trainer NYK Life Skilled Education Trainer L. Elena Devi spoke on the role of youth for the development of youth clubs as a resource person. Sports kits were also distributed to the youth clubs of the district during the program.
Flat tawdabasingdu volunteer gi khut thangdagi karamhaina makhoibu flat tawnanaba registration tawnanaba karamhaina lamjingbi gedra makhoigi apamba makhoigi award pa loina NYK dagi khangnanaba discussion tawnanaba meeting tawyabani.
Zonal Education Office DPO SSA Taubal, in collaboration with Chief Medical Officer and Social Welfare Department Taubal, organized a 1-day medical assessment camp at Atokpam Junior High School, Taubal today. Stalls for identification of children with hearing impairment, audio testing, visual impairment, intellectual disability, and orthopedic problems were put up during the camp. It may be mentioned that the camp was held to identify children to provide hearing aids, wheelchair, tricycle, crutch, rollator, cerebral palsy (CP) chair, MR kits, and braille slates.
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯆꯪꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯆꯤꯜꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯑꯦꯜ ꯅꯤꯗꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯑꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯐꯪꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ
A cleanliness program was held at No Man's Land near Gate Number 1 and Gate Number 2 of Indo-Myanmar border today. Deputy Commissioner Tengnoupal District M. Rajkumar, Superintendent of Police Tengnoupal Th. Vikramjit, Commandant 43 Assam Rifles Moray Sumit Sood, ADC Moray El Manikanta were also present during the program. From Myanmar side, Tamu ADC Nyen Tun Kwa, Major 266 LIR Battalion Y Lin So, and officials of Nampalong Market Committee took part in the program. One JCB from Moray and one Dipa from Myanmar were used during the cleanliness program. The officials appealed to local residents of No Man's Land not to throw waste in the area. Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February kun. Akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi. Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back. A seminar on Kokching will be held on 7th of March next at the auditorium of Library and Information Center, Kokching. Chairman of the organizing committee, Naurem Munal Meitei, informed us during a press meet at his Kokching Paji Lekai residence today. He further said that 4 Kokching-based organizations, Sahitya Seba Samiti Kokching, Macha Chanu Kokching, Writers Association Kokching, and Historical Society Kokching will jointly organize the seminar.
Muganda Aiba Maga Aiba Amagi Mochi, Kajitan Kenabagum Ubamasu Tawi. Madugumbo de Quina, Sigma Seminarama, Pangtu Erga, Mayam the Yanaba, Madumanga Loy Habadinataba, Tunda, Equilation 9, Yan, Tibia Matang, the Ujasunu Adubu, Hoxi Paukis Theatre, Massimana Yanari Habagi Port, Amakatang Dipu, told the Bayati, Habasi, Kalerga, Tingas, Ting, like when seminars, Pangtuk Sabani.
Taubal District Committee Public Distribution System held a meeting to demand monthly honorarium for PDS agents of Taubal District at Taubal Melagram Community Hall. Committee Secretary Maibam Ibomcha urged the concerned authority to clear the pending honorarium of 21-22 months of the PDS agents.
My tongue is again with an acquaint. Pum the Canada, Pum the Canada, Matum da hand of Warrior, the Mana Canada, Anisu Warrior, where the Judge happened matter when it toy. On the rim, from the ladies, Masi, Maile Nava, Tida, Yoxamang, the Pitok, you, Haina, Hajaba, Haina Warrior.
Shifting cultivation or jhum cultivation may soon get legalized. It is an age-old agricultural practice in some parts of the country, mostly in the northeast. According to reports, the central government is working on a comprehensive policy related to shifting cultivation in order to recognize the land used for shifting cultivation as agricultural land where farmers practice agroforestry for the production of food. The government is also mulling to enable such cultivators access credit and agriculture-related benefits, including subsidies. An estimated 6.23 lakh families are involved in this activity, 90% of which is in the northeast. Credit is often denied to these cultivators because, in the absence of land titles, they are unable to offer the land as collateral for loans. The Niti Aayog is holding consultations with the Ministries of Environment and Agriculture to get the latest data on shifting cultivation as a part of overarching policy. Under the central government's Jal Jeevan Mission JJM initiative, 50 villages from each district of Nagaland, totaling to 550 villages, will have access to adequate drinking water supply within a year. As per media reports, Nagaland Public Health Engineering Department (PHED) Minister Jacob Zimomi made the announcement during the department's review and coordination meeting held at its conference hall in Kohima yesterday. The Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation under the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti introduced a mission to provide functional household tap connection (FHTC) to every rural household in the country by 2024 with a minimum water supply level of 55 liters per person per day. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus has gone up to 2,236, with 118 more deaths reported, mostly from the hard-hit Hubei province, while the overall confirmed infection cases have climbed to 75,465 today, according to media reports. The number of deaths is higher than the previous day when 114 people died of the disease, but the country reported the lowest number of new infection cases in nearly a month, foiling hopes that Beijing's epidemic control efforts were working. Hubei province, center of the novel coronavirus outbreak, reported 411 new confirmed cases and 115 new yesterday. The latest report brought the total confirmed cases in the hard-hit province to 62,442. Wuhan, the provincial capital, recorded a total of 45,346 confirmed cases. Among the 42,056 hospitalized patients, 8,979 were still in severe condition and another 2,018 in critical condition. Meanwhile, Beijing saw a sudden spike in the cases after the Central City Hospital reported 36 novel coronavirus infections as of yesterday, a sharp increase from 9 cases from 2 weeks earlier, leading many to fear a potential explosion of infection numbers in the capital, as per a report. A multinational company has given a work-from-home guidance till February 28 to its employees after 2 of them tested positive for influenza A H1N1. According to an email sent by the crisis management team of SAP India to its employees, 2 of their employees based in Bengaluru RMZ EcoWorld office have tested positive for H1N1. The company has undertaken extensive sanitization and complete fumigation of its premises. According to media reports, as a precautionary measure, all the SAP India offices across Bengaluru, Gurugram and Mumbai have been closed for extensive sanitization, and all SAP India employees based in these locations have been asked to work from home till further notice. Meanwhile, 175 persons have been tested positive for the airborne disease in Karnataka from January till date. Nearly half of these cases are from BBMP areas. Now let's take a look at the sports news. MPCS thrashed FC Lamjao 5-1 in the second semi-final match of the ongoing 13th Jury Cup Invitation Football Tournament today, leaving Amofa Moirang and MPCS for the final match to be held on February 24. The tournament is organized by All Jiribam Sports Association at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. No plan to legalize plantation of cannabis for medicinal purposes, Chief Minister Biren informs House. Effective use of native language stressed on International Mother Language Day. Arrest of NSCN IM cadre triggers protest at Senapati. And 20 students expelled on second day of Manipur board examination. That's the end of the bulletin for the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.